Come with us as we attend a hydroponics workshop put on by Lincoln University. This workshop, lucky for us, was in our new backyard in rural Missouri. So first we had to get there. Horse and buggy, baby. What you know about that? When we walked in, we were greeted with a presentation by Dr. Toria Eaton. She's an associate professor at Lincoln University. Her research focuses on sustainable production of horticultural crops. It was great learning from her and meeting her full team. We got to learn from Gabriel Brandsetter. She's our area educator of horticulture at Lincoln University. Gabriel, she is the one who found Salem HempKings on the internet and made sure we were tapped into all of this. We also got to learn from Dr. Juan Cabrera Garcia. He works between UMKC and the Missouri Extension. He taught us about alkaline. Osai was taking a bunch of notes. We learned about pH. It was great. After lunch, we went to Daryl and Diane Unruh's hydroponic business. They started this in the middle of the pandemic. They gave us a full presentation of their processing facility, their full production. We couldn't touch a thing. We even got to learn about packaging. And we got to take some lettuce home. So we're so grateful for everything we're learning on this journey. And thanks for following. Later.